when it comes to burning belly fat, I've been through it all. I survived countless hours of ineffective workouts. I spent countless dollars on fitness gadgets. And I saved my time and effort by discovering exercises that actually work. I built a routine that targeted those stubborn areas and, in the end, I got the toned midsection I'd always wanted. Here's how I did it. I swapped out those typical exercises that weren't giving me the results I wanted for a more focused routine. My daily lineup included high-intensity interval training, height and core targeted moves like leg raises, bicycle crunches, and side planks. Each exercise was designed to engage my core deeply and burn calories effectively. It wasn't always easy. I faced days when progress seemed slow and my motivation wavered. Are you in a busy life? Fresh Juice Original solves it. Make fresh smoothies anywhere with over 100 5-star reviews. Plus, enjoy free shipping. Check the link in the description to get yours now. But the key to success was consistency. I made sure to track my progress with a journal and celebrate small victories. Seeing those tiny improvements kept me motivated. The results were incredible. Not only did my belly fat decrease, but my energy levels soared and my mental clarity improved. If you're facing pain, low energy, or mobility issues, Strength Training for Seniors offers 45 easy exercises to boost strength and confidence. Get your copy with 5-star reviews and free shipping now. Link in the description. Don't get discouraged if progress seems slow at first. Stick to your new routine, monitor your results, and keep pushing forward. The changes will come, and you'll see the transformation in your body and mind. If you're looking to boost your fitness, the Fitness Tracker solves the problem of tracking your health metrics effortlessly. Monitor calories, steps, and sleep with this waterproof smart band. It's a game changer for staying on top of your fitness goals. Get yours now with 5-star reviews and free shipping. Click the link below.